Hi there. I'm going to go through the building simple molecules and show you what the models look like so you can make color sketches, because I have finally procured ball and stick model kits that will work for this. So the building simple molecules activity that we started in class looks like this, and we filled out this first table here. So we know that carbon, for example, has 4 bonding electrons, and the model color that we're going to use for carbon is black, etc., etc. And we were filling out this table and using the simulation. The simulation, remember, also can be launched from the Google Classroom. I posted it there. When you launch the simulation, you want to be in the molecular builder free experiment. So I already made oxygen, and I showed you how to make that. And then I made oxygen with the ball and stick model kit, except I didn't have springs. So when you make oxygen with a ball and stick model kit, you have a red ball for an oxygen atom. It has 2 holes in it. And another red ball for an oxygen atom, which also has 2 holes in it. And we use springs to attach the two so that we have an oxygen molecule. It looks like this. Let me show you that with the webcam so you have a chance to draw it. So that's what an oxygen molecule looks like. Okay? You can draw that in for your color sketch of your model. The next one that we had to do was water. And so I got 2 H's out and an O, and I made water. Which looks like this. To make the ball and stick model kit for water, I used 2 yellow balls and 1 red ball, and made water, which is a molecule that looks like this. Use the webcam to show you what water looks like. So that's your color sketch for water. The other ones, I wanted you guys to use the simulation to build. And I know we had some trouble with nitrogen, molecular nitrogen, because you can't make a triple bond on the simulation. But nitrogen is bonded together with a triple bond, so a nitrogen molecule would look like that. 2 blue atoms connected with 3 springs, a triple bond. So you can make your color sketch of nitrogen like that. The next one to make, I believe, was... Well, let me go back to that so I know what the next one is. The next one is ammonia, NH3, and then carbon dioxide, CO2, and then methane, CH4. So ammonia is going to be an N and 3 H's. And you'll put those together, and when you do, you'll get a model that looks like this. Okay, a blue one and 3 yellow ones attached. Okay, ammonia. Carbon dioxide is going to have a carbon double bonded to 2 oxygens, so the model is going to look like this. Carbon dioxide, carbon's black, oxygens are red. And methane, CH4, is going to have a carbon in the middle bonded to 4 hydrogens. So that's what that model will look like. Okay. So after you've drawn all the color sketches of all those models, you're going to complete the table, whether it's an element or a compound, and answer the questions, and we'll be done with building simple molecules. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, contact me. Thanks.